Hello guys! Ito ang konya nyo. Maghahatid ako sa school, sa alaga ko. Say hi to them, bebe. Hi! Ayan. Maghahatid ako sa kanya sa school. So, ito yung buhay ng kunyang what is it? Is it Ichi? Oh, yeah. Ichi. Ichi. Okay, come on, let's go. Ito ang buhay ng kunyang basta may klase yung bata. Hatid sundo ako sa kanya sa school. Yes. So, naglalakad lang siya yan, guys. Papunta sa bus stop. Hindi nagpapakarga. Yeah! Good job! Yan. And then we're going cross here at the stoplight, going to the bus terminal, right? Huh? What is it? We will wait until the green light. You say wait if green light already, okay? You tell Wiwi if green light already,
It's green now.
Oh, okay, let's go. It's green light. It's green light. It means go. Yeah. If red light, it means stop. You need to stop. Papunta na kami ngayon, guys, sa terminal bus. So, sasakay kami ng bus papuntang school niya. So, pag kunyang ka dito at may alaga ka, dapat focus ka sa kanya. Tsaka, hawakan mo siya ng mahigpit. Oh, there's an ambulance. So, we're going to check if there's a bus. Wait, there's a bus? No. Okay, let's go. So, ito yung bus terminal. So, mag-aantay kami ng bus 23C papuntang school niya. Here. The bus is not yet coming, so you have to sit down first. Sit down over there. So, ito guys, so 23C yung bus na sakyan namin. Maganda dito guys kasi organized siya. Ato 24M, yung every bus may pangalan siya. So dapat doon ka talaga magantay. Hindi dito pwede na magpara-para ka lang. May designated area talaga sila na na mag-stop sila. So, dapat doon ka sasakay or bababa. So, ito yung bus terminal nila. Ayan. So, we're waiting the 23C bus. There. Merong bus din dito, guys, na papuntang China. China, I think. Yeah. Papuntang China. I don't know where it is. Oh, that one is a tour bus, baby. The bus over there have second floor. There, the big bus. Over there. Did you see the big bus over there? So the bus is coming, guys. There it is. Okay, let's go. The bus is coming. Come take a look, Wiwi. Okay, go. Bye-bye. See you later. Hello, guys. Dito na ako sa school ng bata. Dito yung ano kung saan sila susunduin. It's 4:30 p.m. already. Ito yung ginagawa para maganda dito kasi siya yung mga pag sinusundo yung mga bata dapat meron kang ID ng bata, yan kinukuha nila, tapos yun, wala kang ID na dala ng bata, hindi mo siya makukuha, or else ilista mo yung pangalan mo sa nila. Yan. Sundo ng alaga. It's 4:30 p.m. na. Hello guys, good afternoon. Ito, pauwi na kami ng alaga ko. You say hi to them. Okay, we're going home now. And then after that, hello guys, ito pauwi na kami ng alaga ko. Hello Naukan. Say hi to them. Then pagdating namin yan sa bahay mamaya, paliguan ko pa siya at saka patulugin na. Ayan, say bye-bye.